Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be seeing how to create a basic web server with the help of Node.js and Express.js. So let's get started. So first we'll create an empty folder named code for all our code files. We'll open a terminal in that. And next, for this project we'll be requiring npm package. So if you are not having that, you can simply go to this Node.js website and you can install with the help of this. So this npm package comes along with Node, so it is embedded with that, so this can do. So after that you can proceed with this procedure. So next we'll do npm init. So this npm init is like initializing this repository for the Node.js project. So you can think it as similar to Git initialization, if you are knowing what Git does. Anyways, so for this it is asking for package name. So package name will give it as web server. Can give it any name. Version you can leave it as empty for now. Description not required for now. Entry point, so this is important. So entry point is this actually is a file from which your basic home requests, all the requests will be routed. So it is asking for whether you should keep it as index.js or you want to give your custom. So for now let us keep it as index.js. So click enter. Test command not required, git repository not required, keywords not required, author not required currently, license not required. So yes, so this is the preview of a particular package.json file which will be created. So for the time being, just say yes. So yeah, that package.json is appearing here. So let us see what is inside that. So all the library details and every command details will be present in this package.json file for this particular folder. So additionally now we need to add express.js. So let us install that. For installing that, we'll hit the command npm I, which is standing for installation, and express. It will start the installation, and as you can see the dependencies express.js appeared here. So next, actually this will do for the whole project, but we'll go ahead and install one more package named nodemon. So this nodemon is a very useful package. So this, what it does is, it in the development mode, when the Node.js is running its server and we want to edit some file in the code base, it will automatically reload in this terminal server, and we need not restart the server. So without nodemon we actually need to kind of restart the server. So let us go ahead and install that nodemon for this usefulness. npm I and then nodemon. So that will also be appearing here soon. Yeah, so nodemon is here. So let us now create the index.js file which we just saw. So we'll create it as index.js, and it is this file containing right here. So this file will be having express.js imported. So we'll import that as express. We will require it from the express library which we just installed. Next, application will be initializing as express. Next, we need to define a port on which our web server will be running. So let us define it as 3050. You can define it any port which is empty, and then we'll actually make a get request. So we'll write it as app.get on the home URL, so which is slash, and here we'll be passing request object and response object, and it is passed into an arrow function, and this arrow function will be returning some response which will be done by this syntax rest.send, and let us say hello world. Yeah, so click semicolon, and then this has to be listened on some port, so that listening syntax is here and this port which we defined up here, and then listen, and then an empty arrow function which is a callback function actually, so for server monitoring. So console.log, can put anything here, it does not matter. Let us say listening on port and this port name port, so we need to make it backticks for this syntax to run. So yeah, so let us test this out. So for running this server, you need to enter the command npm run and then dev, which is this dev is from this package.json we need to add here. So we'll add that dev in this. So how we'll do is we'll introduce a key called dev, and this dev will be aliasing to the command nodemon and then index.js, which is our entry file. So yes, this dev is pointing to this dev, which in turn will run command this. So let us run this server. So yes, as you can see, listening on port 3050. So this is what is printed here. So let us go to the browser, and on 3050 on the localhost, let us see what it is returning. So go to localhost, then 3050, click enter. Yes, hello world, you can see hello world. So this server is set up successfully. Let us modify this for the confirmation procedure. So let us say hello world at sun. So as you can see, this automatically got reloaded. We need not restart the server. So go in the browser and click refresh. Yeah, hello world at sun. So this is as simple as this. So hope you found useful how to make a basic web server with the help of Node.js and Express.js. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.